Hey there, mind detectives. Feeling a little one-sided in your love life? Tired of being the only one putting in the effort? Well, fret no more. Today, we're cracking the code on how to make her chase you. Forget the outdated play hard to get games. We're diving into powerful yet respectful strategies that will trigger her desire and make you the irresistible cat she craves. So, grab your metaphorical magnifying glass, because we're about to unveil the secrets to a relationship dynamic where she's making the first move. 1. The confidence conundrum. Let's face it, confidence is sexy. When you believe in yourself, it shows. But confidence isn't about arrogance or bragging. It's about a quiet self-assurance that radiates from within. Pursue your passions with gusto, cultivate a positive attitude that lifts others up, and ditch the self-deprecating humor that makes you seem insecure. A confident man doesn't need to boast about his achievements. His actions speak for themselves. This air of self-assuredness is incredibly attractive, and it makes you a more intriguing prospect. 2. The art of detachment. Stop clinging. We get it. You like her a lot. But smothering her with attention will only push her away. Give her space to breathe, pursue her own interests, and live your own fulfilling life. This isn't about punishment, but about creating a life where she's an amazing addition, not your entire world. Focus on your own goals, spend time with friends and family, and cultivate a sense of independence. This mysterious magnetism will make her wonder what you're up to and pique her interest to learn more about you. 3. The mystery maestro. Don't reveal everything about yourself at once. Keep her guessing a little. Share your passions, tell her about your interests, but leave some room for her to discover more. This piques her curiosity and makes you a more intriguing puzzle she wants to solve. Don't overshare on social media either. Let her get to know the real you in person through genuine conversations and shared experiences. This creates a sense of anticipation and keeps the spark alive. 4. The master of communication. Open. Honest communication is key in any relationship, especially when you're trying to shift the dynamic. Express your needs and desires in a healthy way. Don't expect her to be a mind reader. If something is bothering you, talk about it. But remember, communication is a two-way street. Be an active listener and show genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings. Clear communication builds trust, avoids misunderstandings, and fosters a deeper connection. 5. The power of appreciation. Let her know you appreciate her. Small gestures and genuine compliments go a long way. Notice the little things: her new haircut, her thoughtful gesture, her supportive words. A simple thank you for something she does, a compliment on her outfit, or a handwritten note expressing your gratitude can make a big difference. Show her you value her for who she is, not just for what she can do for you. Remember, appreciation is a powerful tool that strengthens bonds and fosters deeper affection. 6. The art of living your best life. This might be the most important one. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Invest in your personal growth, chase your dreams, and be someone she's proud to be with. Take a class, learn a new skill, volunteer for a cause you care about. When you radiate positive energy, purpose, and a genuine zest for life, it's magnetic. People are drawn to those who are passionate and engaged in their own growth. It shows her that you're a man who has his own life going on, and that makes you all the more desirable. Remember, mind detectives, these strategies take time and effort. Don't expect her to fall at your feet overnight, but by consistently implementing these tips, you'll be well on your way to transforming yourself from the pursuer to the pursued. You'll become the kind of man who exudes confidence, intrigue, and a zest for life. A man any woman would be lucky to have. So ditch the neediness, embrace your inner confidence, and start living your best life. The right woman will be drawn to your authenticity and your genuine desire for connection. Now get out there, mind detectives, be your awesome self, and watch the tables turn. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing relationship advice. Until next time, stay curious, stay confident, and stay tuned to the Mind Detective.